The expansion of the stocks of drones is felt globally, with enterprise drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), being adopted across various business sectors, including real estate, emergency response, and military security and defense. With the rise of modern technology in enhancing business and promotions, you need to take note of the top 7 drone stocks that are popular in the market. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you are interested in this kind of video content, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. Amazon.com Incorporated, AMZN. While Amazon primarily dominates the digital retail market and derives the majority of its revenues from there, it has also gained prominence in the drone delivery sector. It deserves recognition on the best drone stocks list. In early 2023, Amazon introduced its Prime Air drone delivery service in select areas of California and Texas. However, progress has been hindered by restrictions imposed by the federal government on airspace, leading to a relatively small number of deliveries made, totaling just over 100 by May. Despite these challenges, betting on Amazon is typically a wise move. With a market capitalization of $1.3 trillion and a consistent track record, the company is known for its steady performance. As of June 13, AMZN shares have already risen by 50.8%. EHang Holdings Limited, EH. Similar to Amazon, EHang has experienced significant growth in 2023, with its shares rising by 62.6% year-to-date as of June 13. As a China-based autonomous aerial vehicle (AAV) technology company, EHang reported a 41.6% increase in first-quarter revenues. Although the quarterly gross margin of 63.9% was slightly narrower compared to the 66.1% margin in the fourth quarter of 2022, EHang remains optimistic about its future. The company, like many others in China, is gradually recovering from COVID-19 lockdowns imposed by the government. EHang's executives have expressed confidence in the company's direction, noting the growing demand for their AAVs as the tourism industry in China rebounds post-pandemic. CEO Hua Zhihu, the founder of EHang, stated, "As anticipated, we have witnessed increasing demands for our AAVs upon the post-pandemic recovery of the tourism industry in China. In the first quarter, we achieved more customer orders and deliveries, leading to remarkable revenue growth of 42% quarter-over-quarter and 283% year-over-year." Kratos Defense and Security Solutions Incorporated, KTOS. This drone manufacturer based in San Diego is also experiencing significant growth in 2023, with its share price increasing by 35.6% year-to-date. This upward trend is expected to continue following the company's announcement of a $46.7 million contract with the U.S. Navy. The contract involves ground testing of thermal protection materials and the production of flight hardware for the Naval Surface Warfare Center Dahlgren Division. In the first quarter, the company surpassed expectations by generating $231.8 million in quarterly revenues, exceeding analyst projections of $224 million. Revenues also showed a year-to-year growth of 18.1%. Market analysts have shown confidence in Kratos stock, with analyst Joe Gomez of Noble Capital Markets reaffirming his buy recommendation on KTOS in early June. AeroVironment Incorporated, AVAV. This manufacturer of unmanned aircraft systems is experiencing growth in 2023, with its share price increasing by 12.5% as of June 13. The company's unmanned air defense products are being utilized in the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, and the demand for these technologies is expected to continue as the conflict persists. The U.S. military is closely monitoring the effectiveness of AVAV drone technologies, particularly the Switchblade 300 and 600 unmanned aerial systems, which are assisting Ukraine in its defense efforts. In April, AVAV stock received a boost when Kenneth Herbert from RBC Capital Markets reaffirmed his buy rating with a price target of $115. As of June 13, the stock is trading at $96.38. Boeing Corporation, BA. This major player in the aerospace industry has announced positive sales figures for the last 2 quarters, primarily driven by an increase in consumer and business air travel. As a result, BA shares have bounced back from an 8.8% loss between February 15 and March 15 to a year-to-date gain of 15.7% as of June 13. On the drone front, Boeing's subsidiary, Insitu, recently introduced its Integrator unmanned aerial system, which can take off and land vertically. This can operate effectively in challenging weather conditions, including high seas and strong winds, both on land and at sea. Diane Rose, the president and CEO of Insitu, emphasized that customers can now benefit from vertical launch and recovery, exceptional payload capacity, and endurance for their critical missions, even in the most extreme maritime environments, without compromising valuable transport, deck, or hangar space. Joby Aviation Incorporated, JOBY. Joby appears to have overcome a challenging start to 2023, facing negative recommendations from Deutsche Bank in March and a share price reduction call from JP Morgan in late 2022. However, a positive buy outlook from Canaccord Genuity analyst Austin Moeller in June helped Joby's stock climb by 13.5% early in the month, resulting in a year-to-date increase of 133.1%. Joby's commitment to sustainability has been a significant driver of its stock price growth in the second quarter. Moeller specifically highlighted the potential of Joby's all-electric aircraft, which offers vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, to substantially reduce carbon emissions in urban areas and alleviate traffic congestion by taking to the skies. Northrop Grumman Corporation, NOC. Northrop Grumman's performance in 2023 has been relatively dull, with its share price experiencing a modest 3% increase in the past month, trailing behind the overall market. However, it's important not to be deceived by these temporarily sluggish gains. Analysts anticipate that the aerospace giant will soon announce a 5.7% year-over-year increase in quarterly revenues, totaling $9.33 billion. This projection follows the company's impressive revenue and earnings per share beat in the previous quarter. Northrop Grumman demonstrated its commitment to shareholders by announcing an 8% boost to its quarterly dividend in mid-May, marking the 20th consecutive annual increase. The company recently secured a role in Increment 2 of the Future Tactical Unmanned Aircraft System (FTUAS) program, as selected by the U.S. Army. Through collaboration with technology partner Shield AI, Northrop Grumman is actively developing an advanced version of the VBAT aircraft to replace the Army's long-serving RQ-7B Shadow Tactical UAS. In a press release on March 28, the company stated that the VBAT, a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) UAS, will provide persistent aerial reconnaissance capabilities for U.S. Army brigade combat teams, special forces, and ranger battalions. All these companies sure do offer great opportunities that open investments for drone stocks. However, the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning has played a substantial role in enhancing drone capabilities, enabling manufacturers in the industry to tackle challenges with minimal human intervention. This is a good thing, but this could also be a threat to the stocks in the drone industry, and so you need to be wise enough to decide on the best company with the best deals if you ever want to invest in drone stocks. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.